Hey, what's up? It's Draymond Green of the Golden State Warriors here at the Great Wimbledon. Check out some tennis. Let's go do it. Man, amazing experience. Just coming here where it's so much history. So I went to see Andy Murray against Sam Querrey, and Sam was able to come out with the win.
Game, set, match, and that's it.
He played great. Andy continued to fight. I know he was battling through some injury. You can't take anything away from Sam. He was great today.
I go into the production meeting and I hear that Draymond Green's gonna be here. I said, wow.
My moment was there in the fifth where Sam sent it at Andy. Andy came back with a drop shot. Sam picked the drop shot up and sent it back over. It went over Andy's head. Andy turned around and flipped it back over his shoulder. Sam was able to get back to it and take the point.
Wow.
That was pretty amazing. With Sam coming in as an underdog, he came in and beat the #1 seed, the defending champ. That's special. I can kind of relate to that being drafted in the second round. Not many people giving me a chance, yet I was able to knock off a lot of people to get to where I am today. Congratulations on the win.
Appreciate it.
You was great out there, man.
Thanks, man. It was a fun one.
It was great to watch.
Is this your first time here?
Yeah, a couple of them drop shots he dropped.
Yeah.
Once you picked them up, he couldn't get it over you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
sure.
man, pleasure meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Tennis crowd to a basketball crowd is completely different. You can't walk around when anyone's playing. You can't really talk when the point is going on. I wish someone was silent when I was shooting, but it's not like that. When you're going through 5 sets, going the distance, I can imagine that with every set, you're getting more and more focused, locked in on every little detail, because that's how it happens in the playoffs. You start off, the focus level grows more and more.
Blocked by Green! Oh, what a block from Draymond Green!
Smashing tennis definitely, it's like smashing a shot out of bounds. It's a pretty fun thing to do, so I'm sure the smash shot is fun. It's like you're stuffing it at someone. I think I would love that shot if I was playing tennis.
Draymond Green, who has been just magnificent defensively in this series.
They're great at what they do. I'm just trying to be great at what I do.
And Draymond, triple-double!
Draymond Green here at Wimbledon, signing off for the rest of the day. Good luck, Sam. Bring it back to America.